Yeah. You know, all they gonna do is tell you lies, nigga. They want you, you know what I'm saying, to believe what they want you to believe. They don't want you to believe the truth, you know what I'm saying? Cause the truth, hey, you can always expose these niggas, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, this right here call that motherfucker finesse flow, you know what I'm saying? We gonna call this shit 2 times. You know what I'm saying? 7-7, nigga. 7 2 times, nigga. Nigga, that's that Southside high roller terminology, just in case you didn't know, you know what I mean? We gonna stand on this shit, listen. I'm standing on business. If not, these hoes will look at you different. I'm thinking too much. My granddaddy died for drinking too much. And my mama keep asking me questions like why I keep pouring this drink in my cup. Cause I feeling myself, stressed out, but never thought about killing myself. Been trapping since 03, so I'm flying out west to get it myself. Turn me to the old me. Ain't sending no hit cause I did it myself. Surrounded by OGs, a bunch of killers and they all on demon time. Gotta be low key, but when the plate on the table, we eat like it's dinner time. Switch to the flow, nigga. You all on my dick like a gold digger. Hot cold like an angel with snow, nigga. Send 2, then I'm sending back 4, nigga. I never mix pleasure with the business. I never been the type to leave a witness. I'm still asking God for forgiveness, but knowing my luck, he ain't listening. Hold up, how many times did I show and proving that I got my foot on their neck? I leave from the bank, hit straight to the jury store, then we gon' hop on the jet. You dissing on me, I ain't doing no tracks. I'ma pull up and wet up the set. No VVS, but I shine, nigga. 100,000 on my grind, nigga. Couple mil on my mind, nigga. He got one, I bet mine bigger. Came from the bottom, headed to the top. Now that straight dropping, that nosebleed. 28 for that 36, I bet I can get it for the 23. I been the boss before I been the 10. The fuck I look like the skinny jeans.
These niggas be flexing, acting like they really want the business, knowing they ain't really with the business. Body dropping, I don't leave no witness. Told you before, so stop playing with it, nigga. I was 16, counting 6 figures. You know that I been a nigga that's on the top, serving niggas that straight drop. Most of y'all never seen a brick, better stick to them pounds. A lot of these niggas be screaming they gangster, but really ain't got no ground. Niggas ain't shooting no pistol, niggas ain't busting no guns, niggas ain't stabbing nobody. You ain't never been in no riot, niggas ain't never been the type to kill nobody. These niggas be faking, acting like they're really on it, knowing they ain't really on it. Niggas be talking like they really in these streets. Just show me my opponent, I bet that I'm on it. Something like a Wayne, or maybe Chris Brown with the flame. In case a nigga really wanna bang, I'm coming like Walker, Flocker, flinging that flame. Anytime in this song, I'm all in the pain, nigga. I been in this bitch like KG, shooting 3s and dunking on niggas. It's nothing, my nigga. Outshine them every chance that I get. No more fronting me a brick, cause I can buy 2 or 3 now. So I don't need nothing from a bitch. How many hoes say they love they nigga, but still a sucker nigga dick? I ain't got time to be catching feelings. I'd rather catch me as they made it a flip. Pull up on Nitty and tell him I need another one. I swear I just hit me a lick. No blood game, but I shine, nigga. All my G's gon' grind, nigga.
Whole lot of Southside shit in this bitch, nigga. You know what time it is. Young Hoover. AKA 36, nigga. Hey, ain't nothing changing, nigga. We just getting more money, nigga. If you got a problem with it, just goddamn pull up, nigga. Get in business, you know what I mean? I mean, if you want to get with the business, you can get with the business, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of niggas ain't fit or meant to be in the business. So just stay in your lane, homie, you know what I'm saying? Then we won't get roll over you, feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's that roller train right here, nigga. Southside, 2 times, 7-7, nigga. Hoover.